Welcome to Module 2 of Report Writing. Let's quickly move on to the next thing, that is, let us understand whatever we learnt in Module 1 with an example. Okay, so our first example is, your school held a science exhibition. Imagine you are a reporter and write a report for your school magazine based on the following ideas. Now, understand that this question deals with a report about an event because it was organized, planned, and also understand that this report is meant for a school magazine. Okay, now when you deal with this report, obviously you'll have to follow the format. And what was the format? You write a good heading. Okay, and how should the heading be? A very catchy kind of a title. Since it is science exhibition, don't write science exhibition in so-and-so school. Make it catchy, attractive by writing Little Einsteins at Work. Okay, now coming to the next aspect, that is PMD. What does it stand for? Place, that is Mumbai, month, that is October, and date, that is 30. Put a colon after that, and now you can start writing the body. The content should be developed now. Okay, now here the body includes the first paragraph, which is the introduction, and in your introduction there are 3 crucial questions which if you answer, your introduction will be automatically ready. The first question is, who organized the exhibition? Okay, in that case you can write the science exhibition organized by Education Department. Okay, now you can write a few more details like, it was indeed a marvelous sight to see various schools availing themselves of the golden opportunity in displaying their exhibition. The next important thing is, when was it organized? On 28th October from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this line becomes very important. You're supposed to tell who organized, and then the second crucial question is, when was the exhibition organized? And the third crucial question is, where was the exhibition organized? That is Kalidas Hall, Mumbai. So let us recap everything. The first question was, who organized the exhibition? Education Department. Second, when was it organized? To October 28 from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And last, where was it organized? Kalidas Hall in Mumbai. So, the 3 questions that create a good introduction are who, when, where. 3. Okay? Now, let's move on to the second paragraph. Okay? The second paragraph demands details, and the details will come in for an event when you answer, why was the exhibition organized? This is the first question that you should be answering. That is, every year, this exhibition is organized by the Education Department to help students discover their potentials. And then comes the second crucial question, how was the exhibition organized? Okay, now, over here, first of all, entry forms were sent to various schools. More than 30 schools had participated. There were charts, slides, and different models for everyone. The Education Minister, Rajendra Darda, gave away the prizes to the first 3 best projects. Now, if you observe, I have answered 2 questions. Which are those 2 questions? Why? Why was this organized? And second, how was it organized? Give the details of all of it. Okay? Now, this was the second paragraph. The third paragraph, that is the body, the third paragraph should include the conclusion. Now, what all will you write in conclusion? First of all, summarize the topic this way. The exhibition ended with a speech given by the chief guest who was really happy with the whole event and said, and then you can also add a remark. By whom? By the chief guest. What did he say? With such young bright minds, I feel filled with hope for India. Now see, this is a remark by the chief guest. And this is how you conclude your report. Now, one last very important thing. you will also have to mention about who has written this. Do you remember? There were two places where you can write this particular line. On the right hand side corner for a newspaper, by a staff reporter for school magazine, by a student reporter or a student correspondent. So basically on the right hand side you're going to write one of these things. Since this is for a school magazine, what will you write? By a student reporter or student correspondent. Okay, with this we are done with one report, that is of an event.